What is drawing or sketching in art? Drawing is a basic skill for an artist. Drawing is a fundamental techniques with which we create or make any artwork. Also, we can initially mark or plan for a paintings or any other diagram. At its core, drawing is the process of making marks on a surface to create a picture, design, or object, whether using a pen, pencil, or other tools. These lines from the first step of an artwork often serving as the initial plan for a painting. But drawing isn't just about outlining shapes. It is about highlighting them with tonal value. When we talk about the tonal values, it is the variation of a light and a dark tones that brings depth and dimension to the artwork. These tonal contrasts create the illusion of light falling on object, making them appear more living and real. A drawing can be realistic, capturing the world as we see it, or it can be abstract, playing with shapes, forms, and ideas. Whatever style you follow to draw, but the elements like line, shapes, form, values, perspective, and composition are the key to every drawing. Mastery in drawing is often a mark of a great artist. The ability to translate vision into lines on a page to convey emotion, depth, and movement is a skill that makes us a better and better artist. You might wonder, is there a difference between sketching and drawing? In my view, these two are the same, but some artists think differently. They suppose a complete drawing with light and dark shades as a sketch. So whether you are sketching for a fun or drawing with precision, every masterpiece begins with a single line. Unlock your creativity and start drawing today. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights into the world of art, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Have a good day.